The government lets you avoid paying taxes. Whether now or later, the choice is yours. Traditional or Roth IRA, find out which one you should choose. The Individual Retirement Account, or better known as IRA, is a financial tool aimed at ensuring a financially stable future. These accounts are sprinkled in with tax advantages to encourage long-term savings. Both Roth and traditional IRAs serve the same purpose, but through different mechanisms. The Immediate Relief Path. A traditional IRA is a retirement savings account that offers tax benefits. Contributions are tax deductible, reducing your taxable income for the year they are made in. The money inside the account grows tax deferred, meaning investment gains are not taxed until withdrawn in retirement. Imagine you're in a 24% tax bracket, earning $80,000 yearly. If you contribute $6,000, not only does your taxable income reduce down to $74,000, this means you save $1,440 in taxes during that year. That's a pretty good looking diet to me. The deductions today do come at a cost. Upon retirement, when you start withdrawing, the amounts will be taxed as ordinary income. The assumption here is that during retirement, you may fall into a lower tax bracket, thus potentially paying less in taxes when you withdraw during retirement. Today's burden for tomorrow's relief. Contributions to a Roth IRA are made post-tax, meaning you've already paid taxes on the money you're putting into it. If you earn $80,000 and fall into a 24% tax bracket, you contribute $6,000 to a Roth IRA. This does not change the amount you owe today. If the contribution continues to grow to $30,000 over time, you can withdraw the entire amount tax-free in retirement. All the growth in a Roth IRA as highlighted above is tax-free upon withdrawal. This makes the Roth IRA a really powerful tool for those anticipating significant growth or for those who believe tax rates will be higher in their retirement years. Let's touch on what a qualified withdrawal is later on in the video. What I chose. I've made the choice to fully invest in a Roth IRA at this early stage in my career. While both Roth and traditional IRAs offer unique benefits, I feel the IRA aligns with my current financial strategy. By paying taxes while they're potentially at their lowest, I'm strategically positioning myself to maximize the long-term value of my investments. This optimizes for future growth and financial flexibility. What's reassuring is the idea that my investments will grow tax-free with the ability to make tax-free withdrawals in retirement, even though I could benefit from the immediate tax deductions now offered by a traditional IRA. I'm focused on the long-term benefits of the Roth. This decision simply fits into my broader financial planning approach. Now, what approach should you choose? How should you choose? Age and career. These are the critical determinants whether choosing between a Roth and traditional IRA. Those earlier in their career, tending to be younger individuals, are typically in a lower tax bracket. You often find the Roth IRA more favorable. You pay taxes up front, but you ensure tax-free withdrawals later. Roth IRAs also have the added flexibility of penalty-free withdrawals of contributions at any time, meaning the $6,000 you put into it can be pulled out, however you can never recontribute it, so what's best is the last case scenario. For those later in their career and approaching retirement, they are usually in a higher tax bracket. A traditional IRA can provide immediate tax relief through deductions. The strategy here is to defer taxes with the expectations of being in a lower tax bracket during retirement. My personal take is that while both options have their merits, I'm just a little bit more bullish about Roth IRAs. Their tax advantage extends beyond tax-free growth, given there's no RMDs for the owner's lifetime. You have the choice to let this money be the last you withdraw during retirement. This means your investments can continue to grow for an additional 10, 20, or even 30 years, all tax-free. Eligibility and the limitations. As of 2023 for both Roth and traditional IRAs, the standard yearly limit is $6,500. However, individuals aged 50 and over are allowed to contribute an additional $1,000, increasing their annual contribution rate to $7,500. Notably, Roth IRAs have income restrictions if an individual's modified adjusted gross income (MAGI) exceeds certain levels. Their contribution limit to a Roth IRA may be reduced or not allowed at all. Please see on the screen for the current 2023 income limits. Earned income. Contributions to both a Roth IRA and traditional IRA require earned income, which typically comes from wages, salaries, or self-employment. You cannot use previous savings from prior years or gifts from others if you have not received earned income in this given year. For Roth IRAs, contributions, not earnings, can be withdrawn at any time, tax-free and penalty-free. Earnings can be withdrawn tax-free and penalty-free if the account has been open for at least 5 years and the account owner is at least 59.5 or older, with exceptions for situations like disability. For traditional IRAs, any withdrawals made before the age 59.5 may incur a 10% penalty unless specific exceptions apply, and all distributions are taxed as regular income upon withdrawal. On the screen is a list of some exemptions for withdrawing early, and linked in the description below is the IRS website if you want further details. Mandatory distributions. Roth IRAs have no required distributions during the account holder's lifetime. This allows for extended tax-free growth. Traditional IRAs, on the other hand, have required minimum distributions, or better known as RMDs, typically starting at the age 72, which are then taxable. Deadlines. There is flexibility when you decide to contribute to an IRA. The deadline is the tax day the following year. For 2023, the last day to contribute this year is Monday, April 15th, 2024. This allows you to have a better sense of which option best suits you, as you have a completed overview of last year's earnings. Saver's credit. Feeling pinched by other commitments and think you can't squirrel away some funds for retirement? Hold on to your wallet. The government offers the Saver's credit for those contributing to a Roth or traditional IRA, especially if you're on the modest end of the income scale. This credit is a strategic incentive to promote retirement savings among individuals with limited incomes. Check out the current 2023 credit allowances in the link below for more details. Final thoughts? Planning for retirement requires strategic decisions tailored to individual circumstances. The choice between a Roth and traditional IRA is crucial, and while I lean towards the Roth for its long-term growth prospects, the traditional IRA has its unique advantages, particularly for those looking for immediate tax relief. The essence of retirement planning lies in understanding your finances, projecting future tax scenarios, and assessing IRA benefits. Remember, time and early investing are your greatest assets to capitalize on compound growth. Whether you choose Roth or traditional, the key is to start now. Time in the market beats timing the market. Thank you for spending your time with me. I look forward to growing with you.